Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, 4-wheel independent suspension, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. Inside you'll find heated front seats, heads-up display, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.